In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search photos in Darktable. If you've ever struggled to find the right photo in a growing library, this quick and focused walkthrough will help you get organized and moving faster. We'll use Darktable's Light Table view and the Collections Filters panel to search your images instantly and intuitively. First, make sure you're in the Light Table view, which is where you browse and manage your photo library. At the top of this view, look for the Collections Filters panel. This is your command center for quickly narrowing down what you see in the grid. Inside that panel, you'll find a simple text search field. That's where all the magic happens. Click into the search field and start typing. Darktable lets you search across a wide range of information. File names, folder paths, tags you've added, metadata fields like lens or ISO, and even camera or maker. You don't have to be exact, just begin with what you remember. Maybe it's part of a file name, the model of the camera you used, a tag you assigned for a client or location, or a keyword you embedded in metadata during import. As you type, the results update on the fly. You'll see the image grid immediately change to show matches, so you can refine without leaving the keyboard. This live filtering is designed to keep you in the flow. If your first attempt brings back too many images, simply add another detail, another letter, a date fragment, or a second keyword to narrow it down. If you've gone too far and hid what you need, delete a few characters and watch the results widen again. By default, Darktable uses fuzzy search. That means it's forgiving when your memory isn't perfect. If you only remember a portion of a word or you're unsure about spelling, the search still tries to find likely matches. For example, entering a shortened camera model or a partial place name will often surface the images you had in mind. This is especially helpful when you're working quickly or you're not certain how something was originally labeled. A few practical tips as you work. Rely on tags you've already added to your images to make searches more meaningful. Use partial words to take advantage of that fuzzy matching. And combine bits of metadata, like a camera maker plus a tag, to tighten results. When you're done, clear the search field to return to your full library view, and you're ready for the next task. And that's it. With the Collections Filters search in Light Table, you can locate photos in seconds and keep your creative momentum going.